Hi there, my name is Maeve and today we are going to continue learning the verb to need. Are you ready? Let's start. As you quite well know, necesitar means to need. If we take the R out, we have necesita. And if we add mos, we will add we need. In Spanish, necesitamos. Let's do some sentences, but first, let's have a look at some words. Off we go! Apples in Spanish means manzanas. And some apples means unas manzanas. We need some apples. In Spanish is necesitamos unas manzanas. Let's do it together. Necesitamos unas manzanas. And now is your turno. Necesitamos unas manzanas. Well done. Drinks in Spanish is bebidas. Some drinks is unas bebidas. We need some drinks. Necesitamos unas bebidas. Let's do it together. Necesitamos unas bebidas. Glu, 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 glu. Now is your turno. Necesitamos unas bebidas. Brilliant. Sandwiches in Spanish means bocadillos. No bocadillos, bocadillos. Okay, and the bocadillos, they are in a French baguette, so they are like that. Let's do some sentences. Some sandwiches in Spanish is unos bocadillos. We need some bocadillos. Necesitamos unos bocadillos. Let's do it together. Necesitamos unos bocadillos. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, very well done. That's all for today. Please give me a like and I'll see you next time. Eso es todo por hoy. Por favor, dadme un like y os veo en la próxima. Gracias. Adiós.